The Wisp Pediatric Nasal Mask is easy to fit on an infant or child. Use the mask sizing gauge to select the cushion that fits the width of the nose without blocking the nostrils. Hold the gauge under the nose without pressing it into the face. This child wears the small child large. Attach the cushion to the mask. With the leak correction dial pointing downward, push the cushion towards the front of the mask and gently press it into place. The sides should match the alignment cutouts in the mask frame. To fit the mask, begin by disconnecting one or both of the headgear clips by gripping and twisting them away from the frame. With the leak correction dial pointing downward, hold the cushion in position over the child's nose. Pull the headgear on over his head. Press the headgear clips into place to reattach. Check that the top of the cushion is resting at the bridge of the nose and that the cushion is not blocking the nostrils. Adjust the top straps evenly to achieve a comfortable fit. Do the same with the bottom straps. Be careful to avoid over-tightening, which is a common mistake. Adjust the crown strap so that the headgear and frame do not touch the ears. The headgear should sit flat across the back of the head, and the mask should rest comfortably against the face. Connect the Wisp Pediatric tubing and elbow swivel to the front of the mask by pressing them into the cushion until the quick release tabs click into place. Complete the setup by connecting the swivel to the flexible tubing that came with your device. The quick release allows the mask to be temporarily disconnected from the tubing without having to remove the mask and headgear. If preferred, you can position the tubing over the child's head and away from the front of the body by sliding the tubing management loop through the headgear crown strap. The quick release feature cannot be used at the same time as the tubing management loop. To remove the mask, disconnect a bottom headgear clip and slide the mask up and over the head. Innovation and you. Philips Respironics.